Hello everyone, back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm gonna show you how you can add stickers to your video on CapCut. So I've already imported a video on my CapCut, and to add stickers, it's actually you can just click on the stickers at the bottom, and there will be a bunch of stickers options that you can choose and add it to your video. For example, here I want to add this subscribe stickers on my video, so you can just click on this and then click on the stickers that you want to use, for example this one, and it will be added, and you can just drag the sticker to place it in anywhere you want in the video. And then you can also adjust the length of the sticker, how long the sticker will pop up. And here you can also do some grabs, oops, so that the stickers will show up. Okay, you can't actually. And then you can also maybe add some animations in here. For example, I want to add some fade in animation so that the sticker will appear like this. Okay guys, so that's all for me. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. I'll see you all in the next tutorial, and don't forget to click on the thanks below. Bye bye.